Hello everyone, thanks again for making this happening, and thanks to everyone. It's been a crazy trip that we've done in Cortes Bank. I was lucky enough to be part of this adventure, so I want to thank the 100-foot wave team to put this trip together with Bill, with Joe, with Garrett, and thanks for sure Lucas for his amazing energy, and it was just a pleasure to share a session with him like that. It was just a crazy moment for me in my career, and I was lucky enough to live it, so thanks.